How long you been growing your hair out for?
See, a year and 6 months.
Traes peluca, güey.
You haven't even touched it.
Not really, just maybe some few trims here and there.
So what are we gonna do today?
I'm looking like a high fade. It's sort of like buzz to here, but then the long hair still stays. You ever seen the movie Fury?
Yeah.
Like Brad Pitt style.
So you wanted like a kind of like the disconnected slick back?
That one.
People are gonna get mad at me probably. Like people are gonna be like, why'd you cut his hair? First thing, we're just gonna saturate the hair really fast. Here are his recession points right here. So we're gonna part the hair from the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and clipper over comb this, and then leave the front longer because he does want a slick back. So here's this corner. We also have to take into account the shape of his head over here. It has like a flat head towards the back. So we're gonna go ahead and comb. From right here, looking at the curvature of his head, stops about right here. I'm gonna comb this to the side over here. Are you sure, bro? We're going in? Absolutely. All right, let's get it. We're gonna cut off about maybe this much just to be safe. And all the hairs that's kind of slinging on the side, I'm gonna clipper over comb it and match the weight that I put on the side. All right guys, so we're gonna give my guy a drop fade. We're gonna start the fade from here. So go ahead and grab your trimmer. I'm using the Rebel. I'm gonna dip this. Move the bulk right here. Now we're gonna follow this line all the way straight down. You guys can see that line right here. Using my Low Pro FX, we're gonna clean up all of this at the bottom. We're not gonna bald it this yet. We're just gonna leave that for the last step. It's just gonna make it easy on the shaver. All right, so with the one guard lever open, we're gonna go 2 fingers above here to create a nice clean base. Just feather up, feather up. All right, since we went 2 fingers right here with the one guard lever open, now I'm gonna split this in half, my lever open. Going a finger above. We have the trimmer, the half, and the 1.5 on top. We're gonna just blend from here to here using my saber clipper. We're gonna start with our lever open. So kind of just like double check the line real quick. 3/4 now. Just go a tiny bit lower. Midway, go a little bit lower now. Kind of attacking like the midway point of the line. I'm gonna close it all the way and hit the beginning of the line. Once we're done with this, now we can move to the back of the head. And we're gonna repeat the same thing. Lever open. Kind of just reshaping that line, making sure everything's consistent. Just gonna work it all the way over here and go back. 3/4 now. Midway. We're almost gonna close it all the way now. To 1/4 closed. Just gently tap the line right there. And I'm gonna close it and hit the beginning of the line. Now we can just move to the back side now. Towards the back, I give myself a little bit more room because he has more surface area in the back of the head, so you guys have to make the guideline a little bit thicker in the back. So we can start with the lever closed instead of all the way open. I'm gonna show you guys a different way to blend this out. So we just go closed. You move that line a little bit. Go middle. Slightly open it a little bit. 1 guard lever open. We're gonna start by going from open to closed. We're just gonna work this section right here. Midway. So you guys saw that there was a fingers width line. You guys want to hit that midway point of that line. Now with the lever open, this is the 1 finger, 1 guard lever open. We're gonna go about midway with the half guard right here. What's really tricky is that we can't really see the guideline anymore. So we're gonna have to use our eyes on this one. Starts closing it little by little. My lever's closed right here. I'm hitting the beginning of the line. His hair does get a little more denser towards the back. Fairly quickly, guys. So we finished the 1 guard lever open guideline. We're gonna go up with the 3 guard, lever open. We're not trying to take off too much weight. We just have a slight dip right here on the head too, so trying to maintain some of that bulk. I'm gonna close it now. And that line you guys see, I'm just hitting that line and then flaring up. Next, we're gonna go with the 2 guard lever open. Same thing now, but we're just going 1 finger above that dark line that you guys see, that's the line we're trying to blend out. Just 1 finger. And as you guys work the shape of the head, you guys also have to angle the clipper. Next, let's close it, and we're just gonna hit the line and then flare up. So essentially, we're working down from a 3 guard, and the last guard we're gonna use is a 1.5 guard. All right, so for the last step, we have that line to erase. So we're gonna go with the 1.5 guard. Same method applies. We're gonna try to go about a finger above, but this is more about kind of just using your eyes and using lever play, which lever play is just moving the lever closer as the close position as you get closer to the line. Right now I closed it, so I want to hit the beginning of the line. And as I see the line move a little bit, I'm gonna just slowly work my way up. And if I see a little dark spot at the top, all I gotta do is just open the lever or close it like you guys see me doing right now. And if for some reason that line doesn't blend, you guys can go back with the 1 guard lever open. So just work your way backwards. What do you think, bro? Just be honest, bro. We're on camera, but...
I'm loving this. From like the change from like long hair to this, I'm loving it, like 100%. I'm I'm satisfied with it.
I got you, bro. Let's fucking get it. Appreciate you, bro.
Oh, no problem. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment section. Please don't be angry at me.
Yep.
It's okay.
Yep.
I'm fresh right now. Thanks.
Appreciate you, bro.